Hello everyone, welcome to this problem, maximal score after applying car operation. So here you receive as input an array of integer and you're supposed to apply this operation. This is how the operation is happening. You choose an index in the range of the array and then you increase your score by the value of that index and you replace that value by the seal of this, and you're supposed to return the maximum possible score after applying exactly car operation. So one interesting thing you should keep in mind here is that if you are taking the value as your score, you will better always take in the maximum, right? Because you want to maximize your score. So in this scenario, for instance, you want to start by 10, and after applying 10, you want to take after that you want to take the biggest one. Let me give you an example. Let's say I have this. This is my array. I want to sort it to be like this, and after this I want to take the maximum, and then after taking the maximum I want to update that one with the dividing by the seal of the number divided by 3, and I want to add it to my array and keep it sorted in such a way that I will still take the first one, apply the same thing, and after this the value is going to be 2 is going to be placed here, and I want to my array to be keep sort like this, and I will take this one. So the best data structure that we can use for this is actually priority queue, because the priority queue is going to maintain our array sort, and then we are going to pop and push element in our priority queue. So how are we going to code that? So for us to code that, we are going to create our priority queue, which is going to be called, I will call it sorted array, and then here I will fill my sorted array. So I will look, I will say sorted array dot push of name. So this actually helped me to construct this. So I have my array being sorted. Now I need to apply the operation. Before applying the operation, I need to have my result here. That will be initialized as 0, and here I will return it. I need to apply the operation k times. So I'll just say while k, I'll dive in here, I'll say k minus minus. And for each of the operation, what I would do is that I will take the first element, which is actually int. I will say first element that is going to take my sorted array dot top is actually the first element. Eventually, after taking this element, I should add it to my ans. So now my ans has taken the first element. So I took the first element, I added the first element to my ans. Now I need to apply the operation, the division, and after applying the division, I need to put it into my array. But before that, I need to remove this, because this one will no more exist. So I can directly say something like this: sorted array dot pop, because it's going to remove the first element. So I'll just have the sorted array dot push, and then what will I push? I will push the first element divided by 3. Not exactly this value. I need to put the seal value of this, so it's going to be seal value of this. And then keep in mind, this is actually in division in C++, so you need to make sure it is float division before you store it. I think this will be all. Yeah, this will be all. You take the first element, you add it to your ans, you pop the first element, and then you add the new value of the pop. You add the new value after applying the division. So let us submit. Working perfect. So this was my approach of solving this. I hope you do enjoy it. Feel free to give me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you tomorrow for a new challenge. Ciao.